Hi guys, we're going to look at Turn Rakak today by Deluxe. It's basically the verse and the chorus are the same, there's a tiny little change in the pre-chorus. We do need to know our bar chords for this one, and then you can add in something called a rasgueado, which I've got a link to of a lesson, so I'll put that in the cards and you can click on that if you want to check that out as well. Okay, let's go for a playthrough and then we'll check it out. Okay, so let's talk about this rhythm first. We'll take a B flat minor, which is an A minor shape at the first fret in the left hand. What the guitarist plays in Deluxe is down, down, up, and he plays just with his thumb. So he goes down on a kind of half strum, and then a full strum, but it's kind of a slow strum, so you can hear each string. And then he comes back up with his index finger. You can also just go down, down, up. But if you want that kind of sort of Spanishy guitar sound that he gets, you want to do that break. So that's the 1-2 and then we have up, down. Again, he goes index finger up, and then thumb down. You can strum as you normally would strum. But so effectively we have down, down, up, down. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. What you can do is you can replace that rake with a rasgueado, if you like, as well on the 2. So that would be 1, 2, and 4. And I'll stick a link, as I said, to that rasgueado technique. So with that in mind, I'll play just the rate rhythm to go through. We have a B flat minor for a verse, for a bar. Then we come across to F minor, which is E minor shape at the first fret. Then we come up to E flat minor on the 6th fret, A minor shape. Down to a C sharp 7. So it's an E shaped bar chord with a gap as if you were playing an A shaped bar chord, A7 at the 4th fret. And then we share a bar here, so we just do down, down, and then we go up to F7, same shape at the 8th fret, and do down, down again. You can also turn that into a slide, so you go down, down, slide, down, which is a nice change. Okay, so play through that at half speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time round we have the same thing. F minor, E flat minor, C sharp 7, and then we come to this C7 sus4 chord, which is kind of a tricky stretch. You're going to be playing the 3rd fret of the A string, 5th fret of the D string, 3rd fret of the G, and then 6th fret of the B. And you're doing again a down, a sort of double down, down, down. And then it just goes around. The pre-chorus is slightly different, but super simple. You're going to be doing a single strum of B flat minor, then you come up to E flat minor, single strum, and these last for a bar. C sharp 7, single strum, F7, single strum, back to the B flat minor, E flat minor, C sharp 7, and then on the C7 sus4 you do a full rhythm, and then you'd be into the chorus. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed that lesson. You can check out some more lessons here and I'll see you around the channel very soon.